Meaning of Drury Lane.
Drury Lane.
Drury Lane.
Drury Lane.
Drury Lane. Drury Lane is a famous street in the Covent Garden district of London, UK. It is known for its rich history in theatre and entertainment, and has been home to many iconic theatrical performances over the years. The name Drury Lane is derived from the de Willy family who owned land in the area during the 13th century. Today, Drury Lane continues to be a popular destination for visitors seeking to experience London's vibrant theatrical scene and explore its cultural heritage.